Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to attach any document with tickets. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Helpdesk document. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to Helpdesk, go to tickets, go to anyone and see here this. Now no any attached documents, so display here 0. But I want to attach, so see here now display 1. Open this and easily view here. Again I want to attach and see here now display 2 and easily display here this to attach. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.